Hey, what's up, Theta Network holder? This time, absolutely, my friends, Theta Network completely as in the profit, and very urgent video for all of you, dear farmer whether, because Theta Network is in the profit. So take a very good profit in a short time, but just and only, my friend, you do what I tell you. I hope whether you, if you follow this channel, I hope you never lost and you get a good profit now. This time, my brother, you can see the last 7 days chart is on the screen. In this chart, you can see whether this coin is again you can see completely in the profit now. So my friend, we need to, my friend, just in only check out the last 1 hour chart, and we completely, my friend, better understand to upcoming time there is a chance so they will move upward or not. Yes, 100%, my friend, there is a chance so they will move upward, because in last 1 hour this is also in the profit. 0.21% the price is in the profit. 6.49 you can see how, my brother, USD dollar as the latest price of this time, my friend, Theta Network. That's mean, my brothers, to definitely after a short phase they will take a very huge jump now, and they will move upward now. So congratulations everyone to they will moving upward now, and this time I'm very like, because the candle is completely gonna be green and moving upward now. Congratulations all of you. Holders are doing very huge mistakes, especially in those days when they see a good my friend jump, then absolutely they starting selling. So you don't do this mistake, don't sell it. I hope, my brother, after my friend, after mid of this month especially, they will give you a very huge profits now. So you need to hold and participate now. So let's see, my brothers, to what they do, but kindly like this video and subscribe this channel.